Ra.
Corner naman pangil.
Ra. Oh. Oy. Oh.
Introducing to you first from the red corner. He is the winner of bout number 7, weighing 50 kilograms. From cluster 5, from Buena Vista National High School, Yoel Ortega. And his opponent was the ring fighting out to the blue corner. He is winner on bout number 8, from cluster 6, weighing 50.10 kilograms. From Balbon National High School, Linio G. Dillon.
Puro mo na mga boxer. Boxer mo sana. Lumalbo.
Another. Salamat sa Sir Jewel. Napakatulong ito.
Tayo na. Wala na.
Start of round 1.
Oh.
Pula.
Bila na kada-kadaog na.
Puro salto.
Balik.